Ta-da! You have the feet, 2 feet, the white tummy, the black tummy outside, and the black arms, and the beak, and the eyes. Hi guys, welcome back to Amber's Toys. Hi guys, welcome to Amber's Toys. Today, we are making a penguin. Yay! So now, what we need is black paper, white paper, and then orange paper. And now, let's get started. First, cut out the oval that goes up. If you do it that way, swish, it'll be down like that. And then the circle's the head. So first, you also need glue stick and scissors. So let's start going. So first, you need to cut the body. Then when you're done cutting the body, you can start cutting the head. Here's the body. Because at the outside, it's supposed to be black. It's a black circle. Because why? Because penguin in the middle of their tummy is white. Because why their back is black? Because they are deep, the sea is dark, and it's like the same color. Almost. There. Now, you can throw this white paper away. My garbage too far. Okay, here's the head, and here's the body. But now, you can glue it. But what color is next? Color black, because I just put gray in it, and one of the arms, but they're actually like that, like this, but not too big. So first, you need to cut out the big circle. We're making a big penguin. There are the feathers in there. Don't cut the others. No, don't throw them, and don't cut the whole page of these. Don't cut this. It's jotted. And don't cut this too. Can't see it. Let's see if they're not the same size. The white and black. Okay, so first we're gonna glue it. What do you always start with? White. Wait! Look at that. That's how it
What?
So we're going to cut it a little bit. Smaller the black. A little bit. Like that. Yes. Now we're gonna glue this. But don't glue the black on the back. Glue with your glue stick. Open the lid. And then you put it on the very middle. Because why we need this a little bigger? Because we need the head to go on front. Like that. So first we can just start drawing the eyes. Okay, but don't draw the beak. You already have a beak. Over there. So we'll do that after we're done. Others. But we just started. So first, now we're going to glue the head. You're right. Okay. Don't leave your glue open. because some cutting will be long. Because when you're cutting the triangle, it'll dry a little bit. It'll dry a little bit, so we don't know what time it'll dry. Don't cut the feathers. Wait, where's the feathers? Oh yeah, there's the feathers there. So now we're gonna cut one of the arms for the penguin. The penguins arms are really. This is the size. See? Now we're gonna put them like that. But it will take a shorter cut. And a shorter to find. We got that shorter cut. After that, we're gonna put the garbage in the garbage, the paper. And look, our penguin's almost done. And their video's almost done. So I'm really checking the weather. It's almost nighttime, but a little bit early. First, I always do this when I see something like a circle or oval. I always cut it to a square, and then I do this. I cut it into two rectangles. Then I make a longer one. I cut the long one into a short one, and then like that. The feet, and we're starting with the orange. Really careful, just like that. It's too bright. I cannot reach the ring light button. Should I turn it off or just make it little? Not doing the whole thing. Oh, my glue stick fell. That's better. That's really rather ready to do it faster. Done! I am really done because I wonder where the other one went. I didn't got it. It's just like somewhere around here. This. Oh yeah, the other one sticked. So the other one stick. I can put this one. Let's now cut the beak. Ta-da! You have the feet, 2 feet, the white tummy, the black tummy outside, and the black arms, and the beak, and the eyes. We are done. Hi guys, it's trivia time. Today I'm going to tell you some things about penguins. Number 1, penguins don't fly, but they kind of look like flying when they do this. But that's kind of like jumping, but not jumping. They're getting out of the water to the ice, and then they give it to their baby, and then the mommy is like this. And then after that food of the mommy, they take turns, so the daddy gets fish, and then they take turns again. And they do the same things. Now we're doing number 2. So, number 2. Penguins can't run. They can only waddle, but they can hop on each rock. They don't go like that. They hop like that, and then they find a way up when they hop, 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 hop. Number 3. Penguins' favorite food is fish. And they also eat different kind of sea animals, and they feed their baby chicks. Bye guys, thank you for watching our video. I'll see you on another video. The video that we'll be making pretend cream. Bye!